In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start using Relevance AI, an essential tool for building an AI workforce tailored for your business needs. Let's dive right into the steps to get you up and running as seamlessly as possible. First, you want to head over to their website, Relevance AI. Opening your preferred web browser, enter the URL relevanceai.com. This website serves as the entry point to creating and managing your AI projects, providing tools and resources essentially suited for businesses like yours. Once you are on the homepage, locate and click the Login option. It's usually found at the top right corner of the page. This will direct you to the Login page, where you'll need to authenticate your account. Next, input your email address here. Make sure it's the one associated with your Relevance AI account. After entering your email, proceed by clicking on Continue. This step will establish your identity and direct you to the next stage of the login process. You will see a field asking for your password. Go ahead and enter it carefully, ensuring all characters are correct. Once more, click on Continue, which should log you into your account and expose the Relevance AI's dashboard. Now that you're at the dashboard, your gateway to myriad AI functionalities, look for the option labeled New Agent. Click on it to begin creating a new AI agent. What's wonderful here is the plethora of starter templates that Relevance AI offers. Whether you're interested in chatbots, automation, or analytics, they have pre-built templates to simplify your task. Alternatively, if you feel adventurous, you can opt to start with a blank slate to configure and customize to your specific requirements. Once you've chosen your template, it's time to configure your agent. You'll need to provide details like the name, purpose, and AI model settings for the project. Take your time with this setup. Correctly setting your objectives here ensures the AI meets your business goals. Once satisfied, click on Continue to proceed. The next phase involves integrating your agent with other tools. On the sidebar, you'll notice an Integrations option. This feature is immensely valuable because it allows you to connect with external tools such as Slack, Zapier, or APIs, which can make your task much more streamlined and efficient. If adding integrations isn't immediately necessary, you also have the option to skip this step. After dealing with integrations, you can choose the specific tools you need for your project. Relevance AI lets you select and customize the tools widely, fitting the unique needs of your project. Now it's time to test your agent. Utilize the preview or run agent function to ensure your configurations are accurate and functional. Finally, let's make everything official. Click on Save Agent and consider deploying it. You can choose to share your new creation with your team or even embed it via an API. That sums up the process of getting started with Relevance AI. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.